Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Now we have the data of the destination, number of passengers, and date of traveling. Now, suppose for this whole traveling, we have the pilot and the crew members. For each crew members, there is a required of at least for each flight we have required 10 to 11 crew members. Now you can see each destination has different passenger. For like you can see we have for Nepal we have 5 passenger. So it is not quite you can say economical to have 11 crew member for this 5 passenger. Like different crew members have different role, like someone is serving this food, but for you have for 11 passenger, the for 11 for 11 crew members having searching for facility for this 5 passenger is not very much economical. So you want to like something like conditional, that whether you should reduce the crew members or not, like something you have to do conditional formatting here. So for this what we can do, that we will go to data and we will record condition, like record here is we have this numerical or text. Like that in text it will tell yes reduce a member or crew member, or no just no. In this whole will be answered in the textual form. Like in numeric form you can record with 0, like yes for 0 you can choose yes, for 1 you can choose no, or vice versa. For 0 you can choose no, for yes you can choose 1. But here we want to display in the textual form, so you double click on this text. Now you can see the column the result of the information from column C1 C2 C3 are displayed. So we will you can say filter based on the number of the passengers. Now the method of the range of the record range of the values, so we will click. Now we will give the lower in value, like this is 0, starting from 0 to 125, because we have this using less than passenger 125 reduce the person. So we are using the upper limit will 125. So the answer it will display yes reduce cabin crew. For less than, for starting 125 to, you can say how much you can suppose how much passengers can be. Let us suppose the maximum limit of passenger will be 500. Let's suppose for in this range we will say no, no, or you can say not reduce cabin crew. So you can say here. Now here is the end points to be included, like now this 125 is both in this you can say row and this row. Now you want to include this 125 in this one, like up to 124 it will say yes reduce the cabin crew. For 125 to 500 it will say not reduce. So we will select it as lower end point only. Now this is upper end point, like upper end point you have to include this 125 in the upper one, so we will select upper end point. So now this will display in the current sheet, so we will press OK. So now you can see for India we have said the limit is 125. For India 252 passengers there, so it is telling not to reduce cabin crew. For China it is saying yes reduce the cabin crew. For Nepal it is 60, it is saying yes record, because our limit is 125. You can change the name of this sheet called like this column, like something A B C D, something creative one, because we are doing some creative one. So this one is whole thing. Thank you for giving a valuable time.